Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're having a good one so far. I didn't get to record yesterday, so today I went back to one of my older car shows that I never even got to release. Camera work is really bad. This whole thing I didn't release it because I thought it was bad. Um, so I just went back and revisited it, touched it up a bit as best as I can. This is back when this is probably what my second or third car show I did. So, like I said, stuff is bad on this one. But to keep the an everyday video going, hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for watching again. So remember, stay positive, be happy, and always have fun. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Every day and night. Are you gonna be the one who's always gonna treat me right? And when we get together, turning down the lights. Need you 100, need you 100.